Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a product that promises to smooth, resurface, and diminish signs of aging. If you've been looking for a skincare solution that targets uneven skin tone, dark spots, and sun damage, stay tuned. We're diving into the PEVONIA Micro-Retinol Trial Kit. Now, what exactly is this? It's a serum designed to resurface the skin with the help of micro-retinol, a potent yet gentle ingredient known for its anti-aging and skin-smoothing properties. It's formulated to address a variety of skin concerns, particularly the signs of aging and sun exposure. The kit offers 11.68 fluid ounces of product, which is more than enough for a thorough trial experience. This product is made in the USA and is suitable for all skin types, which makes it quite versatile. The idea behind the micro-retinol is to deliver the power of retinol without the irritation commonly associated with traditional forms of this ingredient. This can be a game changer for those with sensitive skin or anyone who's been hesitant to try retinol due to potential redness or peeling. After incorporating this serum into my daily skincare routine for a few weeks, I can confidently say that it's an interesting find. The serum is lightweight and has a silky texture, which made it easy to apply both in the morning and at night. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which I appreciate, especially for those with oily or combination skin. It feels soothing and does not cause any irritation, which is often a concern with retinol products. Now let's talk results. In the short term, I noticed that my skin felt softer, smoother, and looked more even. The dark spots on my cheeks, likely from sun exposure, started to fade subtly. After about 2 weeks, my skin tone was noticeably brighter and the texture felt much smoother. I didn't experience any of the peeling or dryness that I sometimes associate with stronger retinol products, which was a huge plus. However, while the results were positive, I did notice that for more stubborn areas, like deeper sunspots, it took longer to see noticeable changes. So if you're someone who has significant pigmentation or more advanced aging concerns, this might require some patience or pairing with other treatments. In terms of pros, the lightweight formula is definitely a standout. It's also fragrance-free, which is always a plus for sensitive skin. The packaging is practical and easy to use, and the serum doesn't take up too much space in your skincare lineup, making it great for travel. On the flip side, one downside for some might be the price. The PEVONIA Micro-Retinol Trial Kit isn't the most affordable option on the market, especially when you can find other retinol-based serums at lower price points. However, if you're looking for a professional-grade product made with high-quality ingredients and you're targeting specific concerns like sun damage and uneven texture, the price might be justified. For those of you looking for alternatives, there are a few options out there. The Rosy Retinol Correction line offers similar benefits at a more accessible price. Another great option is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, which contains retinol and works well for evening out skin tone without breaking the bank. When it comes to build quality, the packaging feels sturdy, and the pump design ensures that you don't waste any product. This is important because a little goes a long way with serums, and you want to make sure you're using the right amount without excess. As for longevity, I've found that after using it consistently for several weeks, the effects continue to improve, with no noticeable degradation in the serum's performance over time. If you've had any experiences with customer support, I can share that PEVONIA is known for being responsive to customer inquiries. So if you have any concerns about the product or need guidance on how to incorporate it into your routine, you can expect them to be helpful. To sum it up, the PEVONIA Micro-Retinol Trial Kit delivers on its promise of smoother, more even skin. It's a high-quality product that's easy to use and has delivered noticeable improvements in skin texture and tone. While it might not be the cheapest option out there, the quality and effectiveness make it worth considering if you're looking for a skincare solution that combines professional-grade ingredients with convenience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.